Law schools teach legal reasoning through moot court, an adversarial simulation where students argue positions, face attacks, and learn to think like lawyers. But only law students get access to that. Every year, 5 million Americans represent themselves in court. They walk in blind. TrialMind changes that. Learn to reason through your case, like a lawyer. TrialMind teaches legal reasoning through adversarial simulation, the same method law schools have used for a century. I will select California, so TrialMind pulls in jurisdiction-specific statutes and real case law. This is not generic legal advice, it is state-specific legal education. TrialMind is now running 3 simultaneous AI legal minds, an advocate, opposing counsel, and a judge. Each has a completely different role and voice. The advocate finds the strongest arguments. Opposing counsel attacks ruthlessly. The judge asks the questions a real judge would ask from the bench. Before the learner even reads the analysis, TrialMind sets learning objectives: burden of proof, evidence relevance, argument structure, and California contract law. This is structured legal education, not just case preparation. The AI detected that the user mentioned a signed contract, email approval, and WhatsApp messages, and automatically checked those items off. No manual input. The learner responds with new evidence. Instagram screenshots proving the client is using the designs without paying, and a copyright infringement angle. Watch what happens to the score. The score climbed from 85 to 92. The learner identified exactly the right evidence to strengthen their position. That is a measurable learning outcome. After every round, TrialMind generates a learning recap. 3 concrete legal lessons, then a knowledge check tests comprehension, interactive, immediate feedback. This is the moot court experience. Democratized, a court-ready opening statement, synthesized from the full analysis, written in first person, ready to read aloud. And here is what opposing counsel will actually argue. The learner walks into court knowing exactly what is coming. TrialMind was built entirely with codex, full user accounts, case persistence, jurisdiction-aware analysis across 8 US states, and a complete legal education framework. TrialMind does not give legal advice. It teaches legal reasoning through the same adversarial method law schools have used for a century. The people who need this most cannot afford a lawyer. Now, they do not have to walk in alone.